hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to transform these aloe vera, nice chunky aloe, how to transform them into aloe vera oil. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. So I'm gonna start off by cutting the spiky edges off of the aloe vera leaf, and then I'm gonna chop this up into little pieces, and then I'm gonna put them in the blender and give them a nice blend. Now I'm gonna be blending this with extra virgin olive oil, but if you have soybean oil, jojoba oil, or coconut oil, any mineral oil, you can go ahead and mix this with. So this aloe vera oil is an anti-inflammatory. It's good for wound healing. It has a lot of antimicrobial effects. It's good for stimulating growth. It has a lot of growth compounds in this oil, which is why it's great for hair growth. It's great for skin repair. It also has collagen properties. So if you try and get that skin tight and right, it's good for that. This oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. This oil rejuvenates your skin and is awesome for your hair cells. If you're struggling with dandruff, dry scalp, flaky scalp, you can definitely use the aloe vera oil on your scalp, on your skin. It is just overall awesome for you. So if you haven't made it, definitely go ahead and make it. It's super easy, okay? Super easy and very beneficial for you. Now that the aloe vera and the extra virgin olive oil is all blended up, I'm going to go ahead and heat it up on the stove top until it looks like this. Then when it looks like this, you're gonna take it off and strain it. So I'm using a cheesecloth to strain it, but you can go ahead and just let it cool. It will naturally separate. And then using a spoon, you could just spoon out the aloe vera oil from the top. As you can see, if you let it sit, the aloe vera oil sits on the top and the aloe sits on the bottom. So it naturally separates. But I want all that goodness in my stuff, so I just go ahead and add that to the bottle. But if you don't, you could just go ahead and only use the oil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.